Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Mac meets the essentials: model type, Mac OS version, and available disk space. Once done, sign into your Apple ID. That prevents permission prompts later. If you're on Apple Silicon, install Rosetta 2 now so Intel-only components run. This is crucial. Also open Terminal to run Xcode select install to get command line tools. Make sure updates finish. These steps prevent errors when you later install the compatibility layer and Xbox components. Now you set up a Windows environment because the Xbox app requires it. Choose Parallels for simplicity or UTM for free control. Create a VM and allocate sufficient resources. Assign at least 4 CPU cores and 8 GB RAM to avoid stutters. Once the VM boots, install Windows 11 ARM on Apple Silicon or Windows x64 on Intel. Make sure Windows updates complete. Then install Guest Tools or Parallels Tools to enable graphics acceleration and shared folders before proceeding to the Xbox app. Inside your Windows VM, open the Microsoft Store and install the Xbox app. Then sign in with your Microsoft account so your library syncs. Next, enable GPU acceleration and map your controller in VM settings to get playable performance. Make sure graphics drivers inside Windows are current. If games lag or crash, power off the VM and increase RAM or CPU allocation. Confirm virtualization is enabled in Mac OS, and reinstall Guest Tools. If the store won't download, clear it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.